Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add QR code to Canva. And it's actually really easy and simple. So come and use this website, qr-code-generator.com. So if you already had your QR code generated from somewhere else, it's perfectly fine. I'll just show you how to do it just in case you might need to know how to do that. So I have this PowerPoint on Google Slides. So I'll just copy the link to this one. Okay, we'll paste this URL and we can select from multiple frames. I'll select this one right here. And then we can go ahead and download that as a JPG. Okay, so let the download process start. We'll come back here, right? And all we need to do, guys, is come and click on upload there at the left-hand panel. And you can go ahead and click on upload files. Okay, and then you can browse from your PC for the file. So you'll find it here in your downloads because I just downloaded that QR code. And then you can click on open. Okay, and here we have the file uploaded. So I can just drag and drop it right here and then resize it according to my needs. And wherever you want to place it in your image, you can go ahead and place it wherever you see it as appropriate. Okay, and there you go. We have our QR code. And it's really that easy and simple.